So in the given problem, he has given the blocked rotor test details and he is asking what is the air gap power at rated voltage. Okay, so if you see here, he has connected this blocked rotor test at 200 volts, right? So, but if you see the rated voltage, how much is the rated voltage? The rated voltage is 400 volts. So that means you have to calculate the air gap power at rated voltage. Okay. So first of all, I'll find out the input at the rated voltage. Because the power, we know that power is proportional to V square. So input at rated voltage is equal to 400 by 200 whole square into 3 kilowatt, because he has conducted the test at 200 volts. So this is equal to 4 into 3. So this is 12 kilowatts. This is the input at rated voltage. Similarly, you find out the current as well. The stator current at rated voltage. We know that the current is proportional to voltage. So this is equal to 400 by 200. The current at 200 is 20 amperes. So this is 40 amperes. Now I got the stator current and I got the input voltage. Now air gap power. Air gap power is nothing but the power input minus the stator copper loss minus the stator core loss. Right? Now power input I know. So in order to know the stator copper losses, I should know the resistance. So how to calculate the resistance? Because if you see in the problem, he has measured the resistance between the two terminals. That means between the phase R and phase Y. So when you are measuring between two terminals, the resistance will be 2R, because two phases are included. So 2R equal to 0.9. So that means R equal to 0.45 ohms. Actually this is a DC resistance, right? Because as mentioned clearly, the DC resistance measured is 0.9 ohms. What about AC resistance? RAC is nothing but 1.2 times RDC. So this is 1.2 into 0.45. So this is 0.54 ohms. Right? So air gap power is equal to input power is 12 kilowatts minus stator copper loss 3 times the current I is 40 square, the resistance is 0.54 minus the stator core losses are given as 400. So if you simplify this, you will get 9,008 watts. So this is the air gap power.